Hi, I'm Cameron. I'm a salesman here at Kennco Manufacturing in Ruskin, Florida. I'm going to talk to you about our new basket cultivator for the middle of your rows. It's going to eliminate the use of herbicide, and this is our prototype version, so this is our first shot at it. Down here we got some big S-tines, some heavy-duty S-tines with 7-inch feet on the bottom of them. That's really going to break up all the weeds and stuff between each row. And then we have 2 hiller discs, which you're familiar with if you lay plastic. It's going to throw dirt over your tuck that's been busted up by this plow here, followed by a spring-loaded basket cultivator, which is really going to throw dirt around, chop up all your weeds and all that kind of stuff between each row. These basket cultivators are 21 inches wide. We can make them any width that you prefer. And we're really hoping this eliminates the use of dangerous herbicides and stuff that could damage your actual crop. One of the things that make this machine so versatile is that we chose to do bolt-on everything. So everything is movable. You can extend it out wider, you can bring it in closer, you can move it to the left, move it to the right, depending on what farm you're using, what crop you're growing. It's going to be able to do it all. This machine in particular is actually headed to LaBelle, to Meador Family Farms, when we're actually going to go out there and take some footage of this machine in use. If you're interested in making one of these your own, give us a call here at Kennco at 813-645-2591.